Yeah. So now we require one more machine to be scanned that is vulnerable by design. The standard industry machine that we all use is Metasploitable 2 for our penetration testing and vulnerability analysis learning purpose. So if you write Metasploitable 2 download on the search engine, you are going to get two links, Rapid7 and SourceForge. We are going to use the SourceForge direct link. Click on this Metasploitable machine, click on the download option, and the download will get started. Yeah, so it got started, around 825 MB of data. I have already downloaded, so this is how it would be looking like for downloads. I'm going to unzip this up. So show more options. I use 7-zip, extract to this particular folder. After getting it extracted, I need to open this particular folder, and there would be the file which we have to open up. So open this particular folder, and you have multiple different files, out of which we are interested here is the VMware virtual machine configuration file. Just check the particular file. The size would be 3 KB. Just double click on it. It would automatically pick up all the configuration and create a lab for you in the Metasploitable as the VMware. Now everything as it is, just make sure you edit the machine settings. Instead of net, I'm going to make the first adapter as bridge adapter, and instead of host only, I'm going to make it net. So this is how it would be looking like. Bridged and net adapter should be your network adapters. Bridged first one, net second one. Once this is done, just click on power on the virtual machine. Close this up. Yeah, so I just copied it. Click on that. Press OK again. And within 25 to 30 seconds, your machine would be set up. Yeah, starting up, loading. Please wait. Okay, all right, everything looks good, and soon we should be having the username and password. All right, yeah, so as we can see, the Metasploitable 2 machine has been completed. You see the line, login with MSF admin, just log in. MSF admin is the username and MSF admin is the password. Cool, we need to have IP address, so IPA, it is 1.12. So I have received 192.168.1.12 as the IP address. What was the IP address of my Nessus? That was 1.7. So both of them are on the same network. We can again go and check the particular reachability. So I'm going to ping Nessus from my Metasploitable machine 1.7. I should be getting ping response activity properly. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going to stop it, and we are all set for the Metasploitable machine. So our purpose is to scan Metasploitable machine with the help of Nessus. This would give us the complete advantage of how the things is going to work. So let's have a new scan created in the next session. So for this, we just created our vulnerable lab.